Hey, what's up, Saltwater Nation? Check this out. Aqua L Leddy Slim LEDs in white, all glass. Just arrived in the US. We're the first one to distribute them. We're going to do an unboxing and show you what it's all about.
What up, Steve Berlin? Just joined in.
Hey, what's up, Steve?
Missed you in Vegas, baby.
Yeah, you missed Vegas. It was epic. Check these guys out. Aqua L Marine 10K 32 watt 30 to 40 inch. These feet, this is a full glass LED, and the feet extend or contract based on that 10-inch range for your aquarium. They come in 4 different colors. We got 2 fresh waters. That's 6500K sunny, 8000K planted, marine at 10K, and marine actinic. They were on display at MACNA in the Cobalt booth, and the colors that these produced on the tanks, they were pretty awesome. So I brought them in. We're gonna distribute them. Check them out. So here, let's open one. In the box.
You can see those extender legs there. These come in white and black. Do we know when black's coming in?
Not yet, but it's on the water.
On the water.
Guess what's really cool? What's missing? Do you feel like something's missing? No power brick. You don't need a power brick. You got an on-off, and the power's built in. So no goofy wires, no extra goofy wires. All glass LED. Very nice looking, very sleek. I was told it's waterproof. I mean, it's not made for running under the water, but you can dip it in. Check it out. Very affordable. I don't know, I think it runs like 120 bucks for this size. Cheap enough where you can run multiple colors. Aqua L Leddy Slim LEDs, glass, in stock, shipping today. Get some.
All right, guys. Thanks for checking it out. See you.